Now, so last class, where did we do? And now you can say, what was the last thing we did?
So
What
we
was the
did not
last?
exercise, no, the good and bad, like,
Bad,
counting
bad. Okay,
the,
that we
yeah,
did.
yeah.
Okay. Did I take planetary aspects?
No, sir.
Sir.
No, sir.
No,
Not
sir.
yet.
Planetary aspects you shared yesterday, right?
In,
Like, Rahu, Ketu aspects, Jupiter, 5, 9, 7, and all.
correct.
Yeah,
If a
Yeah.
planet sits in Leo, Jupiter, what under it will affect Visa, right? There
Yes,
we
that
stop.
will
yeah,
be.
that,
Yes,
yeah,
yes, sir, yes.
yeah, that is that.
Okay. That is what I was asking. No problem. So you write one more example. Chart B. In chart B, you put Saturn in Leo. You put Saturn in Leo. Now you mark the houses where and all this Saturn will see. So it will see Libra, it will see Aquarius, it will see Taurus. Okay, it will see Libra, Aquarius, and Taurus. Saturn in this Leo, 100% it will give stomach pain. Okay. Now, this person, whenever he goes to hotel outside or anywhere, whenever he has that food, not only he will get stomach pain, when he is going for that toilet or urination, you will get burning sensation in urine. Okay. Why? Because their Libra is affected. Understand? That means whenever he is getting a foul smell in urine, automatically you can ask, did you have any food outside? Has it troubled your stomach? Means he will say, that means one thing we can very clearly say scientifically, that protein is not converting correctly in this person's case. Okay. These are very, very important special aspects you take. Next, chart C you write, or chart number 3. Put Mars in Leo. If Mars is in Leo, what are the houses it will see? It will see
So Scorpio, Aquarius, Pisces.
Pisces. Perfect. It will see Scorpio, Aquarius, and Pisces. Here also stomach pain will give. Here also you will get stomach pain because it's a odd planet sitting in Leo. But in this case, his stomach pain would have got over a period of time gradually into constipation or piles. Okay. It would have gradually converted to constipation or piles, and too much of burning in that anal area you will get while passing the motion. Okay. So three people, all of them have stomach pain, but the results are different. And one disease is indirectly linked to the other disease. Okay. These are the scenarios. Now one more chart you take. Normal aspect also you will take. Chart D you take. Okay. Now you put moon in Leo. You put moon in Leo. That means it is Simha Rashi. Anybody who is born in Simha Rashi, Simha Lagna, 100% they will have indigestion, they will have stomach problem frequently, they will not have control over the food habits. Okay. Recently, burping will come, gastric will come. And for the Simha Rashi, Simha Lagna people, over a period of time, whenever stomach problem comes, automatically for them, it will affect that, what is that area above the chest, the shoulder area, or they will get the leg pain. Okay, or they will get the leg pain. That means what? Have you seen this acupressure and all? Acupuncture. If you see, they will use that leg. In leg, they will go and give that pressure. The moment they give that pressure to the leg, automatically the stomach will get cured. Have you observed it?
Yes, sir. I have seen that, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. They do some pressing points and it gets connected to
Correct.
stomach. Yes, sir.
Okay. So like that, each and everything is connected astrologically. Only thing is we have to understand that. So what we are trying to conclude here, aspects say the consequence of a disease and where they can feel the pain. Okay. Aspects say the consequences of diseases and where they can feel the pain. Okay. Next, you write down. Next, you write down Jupiter's aspect. Jupiter's aspect expands the disease if the bhava is concerned to the disease. That is sixth bhava. Jupiter's aspect expands the disease if the bhava is connected or concerned to the disease. Write down. Generally, we will tell Jupiter's aspect is good. Generally, we will tell Jupiter's aspect is good. But the basic function of Jupiter is to expand. In bracket, you write irrespective of the bhava's nature. If it is good bhava means it will expand the good. If it is bad bhava means it will expand the bad. Now, whenever this Jupiter is seeing that bhava, like sixth bhava or eighth bhava means, and if it is causing me problem, we should say to that person, immediately see a doctor and take a second opinion. Else it will keep on expanding. Why? Because these people will have that much strength to bear the pain. They will already realize there is a problem. These people will have that much strength. Means Jupiter gives that strength to neglect that pain. Slowly it will be expanding. So for such people, double medicine will work perfectly. What is the double medicine, sir? Allopathy plus Siddha, allopathy plus homeopathy, allopathy plus batch flower, allopathy plus Unani. Like that, when they take double medicine, they will get cured very easily. Okay. Now, how to understand this means, now let us assume somebody is having a severe, what is that, tooth pain. He will neglect that because he has strength to bear because of the Jupiter aspect. And over a period, what will happen? Because of this, that problem also will expand because see, all your tooth nerves and all connected to the nerves in the brain, everything. It may even go and affect the nerves connected to the spinal cord or brain. Okay, that much damage also can happen. Only if this Jupiter is connected to ninth house, okay, and it is good for that lagna, it will act like a doctor. Okay, if it is a badaka for lagna, then it is useless. Understand? Only if that Jupiter, when it is connected to ninth house, it will act like a doctor. Otherwise, we should not tell about medicine as Jupiter. Okay, because many of the times you will think Jupiter is seeing, Jupiter is seeing, Jupiter is seeing. So to remove that confusion from your mind only, this much I have arrived. Okay, fine. If you have any doubts, you write it down. In the end, 8:45, I'll take your doubts. So 4 charts you have seen regarding aspects, direct aspect and different aspects. Next, what we will do is you will see one small chart. Okay, don't worry, but just to give you an idea. Okay, you put this chart. 21/5/1981, 4:57 p.m. If you want birth details, where and all I have birth details, I'll give. Where and all I don't have, I'll give only the chart. So you write down 21/5/1981, 4:57 p.m. Place is Chennai. Ascendant is Libra. Okay. Ascendant is Libra. Moon is in third house. That is Sagittarius. Ketu in Capricorn. Mars in Aries. Sun, Venus, Mercury in Taurus. Rahu and Mandi. Rahu and Mandi in Cancer. Jupiter and Saturn in Virgo. This is the chart. Okay. So if you want planets are in which nakshatra means also you write down. Lagna is in Swati. Sun is in Kritika. Moon is in Mula. Mars is in Bharani. Mercury in Mrigashi. Jupiter in Uttara Palguni. Venus in Rohini. Saturn in again Uttara Palguni. Rahu in Pushya. Ketu in Arudra. Okay. Quickly I'll repeat it if somebody has not.
Ketu in
Ketu in Arudra. So I'll repeat it if somebody has not taken anything. I see clearly, sixth Lord Jupiter is in Uttara Palguni. Sixth Lord for this thing, Jupiter is in Uttara Palguni. In 12th. Okay. It is in 12th house. That means sixth Lord has already gone to 12th house. That is not a favorable position. And it is in Uttara Palguni. And Uttara Palguni is a nakshatra of Badakadipati Sun. Okay. So 6 plus 12 plus Badaka is already connected. That means definitely it is going to give disease. And Saturn is also in Uttara. Okay. Again, Saturn is also in Badakadipati nakshatra. He is the Sukhasthana Adipati. Venus is the Lagna Lord. Venus is also with whom? It is with Badakadipati. Venus is also sitting with Badakadipati in its own sign. That is in 8th house. So very strongly we can know your ascendant is also gone to 8th, though it is one house, but 8th house. It is with Badakadipati. 6th Lord has become very strong by connecting to Badakadipati and 12th house. Sukhasthana Adipati also is gone to 12th house. 4th Lord is gone to 12th house. He is also sitting in Badakadipati. Very, very this thing. So this chart, only question I asked was, do you have any nervous related problem or any kind of epilepsy? Epilepsy, I had the doubt. Why? Because of the nakshatra. So moon is Mula nakshatra. Mula nakshatra animal is what? Yoni.
dog.
Dog, sir.
Dog.
Female.
Okay, dog. Okay, dogs are known for their erratic movements, right? And next is what is the nakshatra? Purvashada. What is that Yoni?
Monkey.
Monkey, right? Usually Mula and Purvashada means this epilepsy will be very, very evident if this kind of combinations are there. In Dhanu Rashi, Mula and Purvashada, if this kind of combinations are there, means that epilepsy combination will be there. How these monkeys will dance, you have seen, like how that epilepsy has come, like that only they will dance.
Yes,
Have you
yes,
observed?
yes, sir, yes, sir.
Ah.
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
Okay, so I asked only two questions. You have any nervous debility or any epilepsy related issues you are having? They told, sir, spot on. Yes, we are having epilepsy. So one is that moon's connection with the Mula and the next nakshatra was Purvashada. And another one was here two Vata planets are there. What are the two Vata planets in an RS in any chart?
One I think is
Saturn.
Saturn.
Saturn and
And
Jupiter.
Rahu is also there.
So Jupiter.
Saturn and Jupiter only. Okay. Saturn and Jupiter. Now you take in this chart. I'll give you who is Vata, who is Pitta, who is Kapha. I'll come next there only. But you write here two Vata planets are connected. I asked. So what are those two Vata planets connected here in this horoscope? Jupiter and Saturn. And what nakshatra they are sitting? What is the nakshatra I told Jupiter?
Uttara
Uttara
Falguni.
Falguni.
And Jupiter?
Jupiter,
Falguni.
Uttara Falguni. Uttara, both are in
Saturn
Uttara.
Uttara Bhadrapada, no?
Uttara
Saturn is Uttara
Falguni, sir.
Bhadrapada. Uttara
So
Falguni.
Saturn is
both
both Saturn and
Both,
Jupiter.
No,
Uttara
both are
Falguni.
Uttara
Uttara
Falguni.
Falguni, sir.
That means both are in Vata nakshatra. Right? When Uttara Palguni, I taught you right in Nakshatra Karakas. It is a
Yes, yes,
Vata
sir.
Nakshatram. So 12th house is at expenditure and it is a sixth lord. It is sitting with Sukhasthana Adhipati by swallowing its Sukha, and both are Vata planets and both are sitting in Vata Nakshatram. So automatically you can say paralysis or epilepsy or a nervous debility. Okay. So they said yes, it is nervous debility. And the moon in Mula Nakshatra. And ascendant lord is in 8th nakshatra with Badakadipati. Next is these things we told. There itself they are fully surrendered. Oh, great. Because we have given them like a scanning report. Now disease will come or not. 6th lord in 12th itself, that itself is showing disease. And it is in Badakadipati star. And Saturn is also connected. And I already told you yesterday also, without disease we should not tell, sorry, without the Saturn we should not tell disease. And both are in Vata Nakshatra and it is in Mercury's house. It is in Mercury because Mercury is only this, again, what is that? Nervous debility, epilepsy, all that. Again, another very, very important thing is Jupiter is aspecting 6 house. So what is the point I made you all to write before this?
It will expand, sir.
So
The
it will
sixth house.
increase the
It will
disease.
increase it. That means
Yes,
what?
yes. It will.
For this, okay. If, that means what? Lifelong, this person has to eat tablet. There is
Take medication.
no lifelong medication. There is no remedy for that. Okay. There is no remedy for Jupiter aspect is 6 hours. So disease increases and lifelong he has to eat tablet. Now, fourth is Karaka for Sukha. That means whether he will lifelong eat tablet or some sukham is there, we want to find out. Sir, lifelong I have to die. Is there any other thing? Any Siddha medicine is there? Any this thing is there? They will ask us. Now, what is, let me see who is identifying this. Now you all say, now I want your voices. Some special thing is there in that fourth house. What is that?
Ketu.
Ketu is there, sir.
What about Shil, sir?
Yes, sir. I'm also saying, sir, Ketu is there, sir. I'm just analyzing it.
But all of you forgot that fourth house has gone to Vishwanyam. I didn't say about.
Ah, yes, yes,
sir.
yes, yes, sir. Yes, sir. You have
Mm.
shared
Sir,
the
you did
details.
not
Yes,
say
that
which
right.
tithi it is.
Yes, sir. Tithi we didn't
Tritya
know.
Tithi, sir.
The
Tritya
details you
Tithi.
have
So it
shared.
is.
Yeah, yeah,
Ketu
Why,
Tritya.
is yeah.
why should I say Titi? You can say identify, no?
Sorry, sorry, sir.
Okay.
Now also you want me to
Sorry,
say
sir.
individual, yeah? Which was this Titi?
Sorry, sir.
No, nothing to say. You should go to that distance. You have to just see where sun, moon is there. Automatically you have to
Yes,
identify. I'm
yes,
asking
sir.
specifically. Okay. So
Yes, sir.
already
Yes,
Sukha Sthanam is gone. Correct?
yes, sir. Yes.
And along with that, Ketu is also sitting there. Okay. So that means what? Lifelong? No Sukham.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is how we very see whenever any medical charts will come, easily it will come for that. Okay. Like I told, transit moon and transit ascendant and all will be helpful. I'll teach like in the last day, don't worry. But whenever you see horoscope, very easily you should pick and tell. You need not to worry. They will only tell most of the times. But as the astrologer, if you go one step, no, client will automatically come 5 steps with you. Because he knows this person is having the knowledge. If I open up, he will give me more insights and he will remediate. Is this clear? If you have any doubt, I'll take in the end. Don't worry. But can we go next? All good?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. Now, another very, very important thing we have to understand in this chart. What is that? Everything we said, this one, that one, that one. So, but what is the fundamental, sir? What is the fundamental? No, whenever you are practicing medical astrology or you are for Panchapakshi people, I already given several things. But now you are studying medical. If you go too deeply into medical also, there are certain combinations. Anybody who's having Saturn plus Mercury combination here, you should not go too deeply into medical. Very soon, whatever the client is having also, you will get that disease for you also. If you're having Saturn plus Mercury combination, if somebody is having skin disease, you very deeply you see that person and the chart. Automatically, you take my words for granted. I'm saying it on recording. Okay. I may even put it on YouTube. Within that 3 months to 1 year, you will also get that. Okay. Because there is combination of 6 hours of Kalapurusha. And again from that Mercury, Saturn is the 6th Lord. Normal Namah Shivaya mantram, okay, that you know, that you chant daily. That is more than sufficient. Okay. Why? Because if you write the letters Na, Ma, Si, Va, Ya. Now, in this, what is the third and fourth letter? What is the third and fourth letter?
Shiva. Shiva.
Shiva. Shiva. Shiva means who? He is the life. Right? Shiva is the life.
Yes, sir.
Now, what is the first two letter?
Nama.
Nama. If you keep saying Nama, 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 what will it will come? You say?
Nama, Nama.
Mara.
Not Nama, 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 Nama. It will come Yama.
Yeah, Yama.
It will come Yama.
Yes.
Okay. That means what? This life belongs to Shiva, but this body belongs to Yaman. Right?
Okay.
Who takes you at the end of your life? Yaman only
Yama,
takes
sir.
you. He only
Yama,
puts
sir.
that pashan. Right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And in between, there is something called as, sorry, in the end, there is something called as, yeah. The yeah one is called as moksham. Right? Understand? For that protection only, I always gave you that, I initiated each one of you in Panchapakshi. Okay, those who are not learned also no problem. That normal Panchaksharam, you daily, you recite. This Panchaksharam, if you recite, like I told, whatever the thing, let whatever that opposite person have the karma, you will still have this protection if you practice Panchaksharam. There is no bigger mantra than this. There are multiple formats. There are what is that? For 5 Pakshis, there are 5 formats. That and all is not required here. Okay. Even if you don't have that knowledge, normal, this Panchaksharam you all practice, this will give you protection because Vastu, medical astrology, okay, this and all are very, very severe karmic. You will get very good name, but you should know how to protect yourself. Always you should have some amulet or ring. Okay. Because that is what Ketu. Always you should wear a chain or a mala. That is Ragu. This will protect you. Without a amulet or a ring or a chain in the neck, you should never go and do a vastu. Now you, after saying that, we will go to the important things. What are those important things? Miss, next you will ask, sir, each Baba we want to know, sir. What is that each Baba is representing? Yes, without that, what you will do? So write down. Okay, write down. Lagna Baba. Lagna Baba. Okay. Head. Lagna Baba is head. Okay. Next. Brain. Okay. Next you write hair. Next you write hair. Okay. Next. Nerves in the brain. Nerves in the brain. Baldness. Baldness. Okay. Next you write second Baba. second bhava. Okay. Face. Eyes. 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 Chin. Cheek. Forehead. Forehead. Tongue. Lips. Now, another thing also you should understand here. Lagna means the patient. Your creativity to try to develop as much as possible. So suppose somebody is having Rahu in ascendant, what we can tell?
He'll come get some scars on the face.
Cars is Mars.
Okay.
Okay. Now, we can very easily tell that person will have a very big head. Have you seen some people will have unusually
Yes,
bigger
sir.
head than
Oh,
normal?
yes, yes.
So Rahu is
So
Brihad,
that-
so the head
Ah.
portion increases.
Rahu
Yes.
is the head of the snake.
So,
Understand?
yeah. Yes.
Very common. You see all this Rahu in ascendant, they will generally have a bigger head compared to their family members. Okay. Now Mars is there. Scars, like you all told. Sun is there. You will wear glass. Like that, you have to apply your brain. You should not ask what is Mercury, what is Jupiter. Understand? You should apply. You will get beautiful answers. Okay. Right for third bhava. Lips, you write for second bhava, then you come for third bhava. Shoulders. Shoulders. Okay. Nose. Nose. Throat. Throat. Lungs. Lungs will come here also, fourth bhava also it will come right on lungs. Ears. Pituitary. Pituitary. Handset. Sorry, hands, not handset, hands. And fingers of the hand. Fingers of the hand. This third bhava generally will say whenever they already got a disease, now they are coming, means in Prashna, this third bhava will say, what are the medical attempts made by him for that disease? Means they will say, sir, I went for Siddha, I went for Ayurveda, right? All those medical attempts he made, that will be told by this third bhava in Prashna. Next, you write fourth house. Chest area. Chest area. Mind, or you write manas, or man you say in Hindi, that one. Heart. Lungs. Backbone. backbone. So this again, this fourth house in Prashna, what it will tell? Fourth house means what you told, Sukham means enjoyment. That means fourth house when you connect to disease means it is a release of diseases. Understand? Whether you will get cured, that is what I told you in that example. Whether lifelong I have to eat or some Sukham is there, whether there is a release of disease. Means in Prashna, this fourth bhava will tell us release of the disease. That means in Prashna, if a fourth bhava agrees means complete cure of disease is possible. Whereas this 11th, they will say, 6th to 6th, 11th house, they will say, no. 11th shows disease is there, but you have been adjusted how to live with it. 4th is spoiled, but 11th is good. Means disease is there, but you have been adjusted. Okay, if I eat sugar only, I will get diabetes. No, I will not take carbohydrates. Morning I will have keto food. Afternoon I will have keto food. Night I will have keto food. Okay, it's okay. I will be only 55 kg, 60 kg, but I will be healthy. Sugar is not going to this thing. Or 2 times I will eat keto food. 1 time I will take carb. Instead of 1 hour, I will work out 3 hours. That means you are adjusted to that life. This and all is 11th. 4th is strong means completely you will get released from the disease. Next, you
Sir,
write down.
sir, I heard that even when cancer rises in Prashna,
Sir,
it
sir,
indicates. Yes.
I told in the beginning of the class not to ask any doubt. 8:45 to 9 p.m. I'll give you the time. Right. So
Okay,
if
sir.
you
I'm sorry, I joined late.
no
Sir.
problem, no issues. Okay. Because if you talk here again, it will get deviated. I will lose the flow.
Okay.
That's all. Huh? I'll give you all your time. After 8:45, even till 9:45, sorry, after 9:45 till 10:45 also, I'll sit and discuss, no problem. But let us finish the today's syllabus. Write down.
Okay, sir.
5th house. Thank you. Thank you for cooperating. 5th house. Write down stomach. 5th house is your stomach. And again, heart also will come here. Okay, when I teach you Rashi, you will understand. You write down, heart also will come here. Inner mind. That is what we will say in our Baba class. I used to say, if both 4th and 5th are means definitely that person will have a severe psychological problem. Mind and inner mind. And all these digestive organs. All the digestive organs. Now, this 5th will say the mindset of the patient. Okay, because most of you studied all the 5 parts of Prashna with me, na? That is the reason I'm giving you that extra tip. So you can use it. So it will say the mindset. What is the mindset? It means how you consume the medicine. Understand? Is taking properly or not, all that will be said by that, this thing. Now, for example, you take one horoscope. Okay, you put on horoscope, Meena Lagnam you put Mars in 5th house. You put Meena Lagnam, Mars in 5th house there. Here Mars is Nicham, so he is not properly taking the medicine. That's all. Okay. Next you write on 6th bhava. 6th bhava. That is the lower part of the stomach or lower abdomen. So what will come there? The lower part of the stomach. Okay. Small intestine, large intestine, spinal cord, all that will come in that 6th bhava. 7th bhava, upper part of the hip. 7th bhava is upper part of the hip. And bones in that hip area. Bones in the hip area. And in sixth, for that prashna you write down, it tells the expenses made because of the disease. More planets in sixth means more diseases. Sir, no planet only in sixth house, sir, I will not get disease. Sir. No. Sixth Lord will do the job. More planets is more disease. No planet is there means sixth Lord will do the job. Now, yesterday I asked, sir, Parivartana. Write down. Parivartana means one disease will get converted to another. Only if it is associated with sixth Lord. Or these people have problem in one area. Without that knowledge, they will be doing a treatment in another area. These are the ill effects of Parivartana. Sixth Bhava only will tell you the diseases. So sixth Bhava only will tell you the diseases. Now you answer. Okay. So sixth Bhava malefics are good or bad?
So bad, so.
Bad.
Sixth Bhava malefics are
Sir,
good to
good.
know. It will openly
Good,
tell you
sir.
what disease
Yes,
they
sir.
are
It will.
having.
Yeah. Malefics will be good, sir. Yes, sir.
Malefics
It will.
are good.
It will. Yeah.
So
Correct.
they
Benefics
still
are
give
silent
diseases,
killers.
sir.
Benefics are silent killers.
Yes,
Understand?
benefits are silent. You will not come to
Silent
know.
killer. You will not come to know that. I know one
Malefics will fight
person.
for that.
They will not fight for. They will also kill you very badly, but you will know that. Understand?
So it is going to
Why?
pinch you, it's going to pain, so
Ah,
you will go to the doctor
you
first.
will openly know. That's all. Why malefics will kill? They are not friends. No. Already we told they are malefic. We cannot expect a terrorist to come and safeguard the nation. No. See, malefics are like terrorists. Benefics are I don't want to name. They are that kind of people within the country only. Understand?
Spy.
Clear? Understand? They are sleeper cells.
Yeah.
So, whenever a malefic there is a sixth, oh, it is good. It will openly tell what is happening to you. At least you will run for a hospital for a treatment. Benefits are there. This guy is having that urine problem from 7-8 years. He is thinking maybe some water I am not drinking too much of it in the body. And one day is going to the doctor. Doctor is saying your urea level is more, your creatinine level is more, and one of the kidney is chutney. Understand? So always malefics are good in terms of knowing this is okay. Fine. Sixth house connection to eighth and 12th is only always the worst. Sixth plus eighth plus Badaka, sixth plus 12th plus Badaka makes decisions very intense. And as an astrologer, it is difficult for us also to remediate or say things. I will teach that, but keep in your mind somewhere. Okay, now let us come back to the seventh Bhava. Okay, in seventh Bhava, upper hip region and the bones in the hip region, yoni. Yoni means that private parts. Okay. And kidneys, and all that parts of kidney, urethra, all that days, all that. And scrotum. Okay. Scrotum. Okay. Next, you go for eighth Bhava. Usually, seventh house will tell you that what is that? Roga Nivurti. Whether you will come out of your doctor is there only. The doctor is there in the seventh Bhava. Ubhay Lagna people will not get good doctors. Why?
So Badak.
Doctor is only the Badakam. That guy who would have operated or something already had something different. Understand? So, usually Ubhay Lagnam people will not get that better treatments. Next, eighth Bhava. Eighth Bhava is that handicapness, we will say. Okay. Loss of an organ. This is lower hip. Means below the hip. What and all you see, the organs below the hip, those skin. Anus or anus, however you pronounce it. Now, in Prashna, it will tell some loss or handicapness that person is going to face because of the problem. And it also will say how the disease has progressed, how much far it has gone. Okay. Or it will tell us the Gandantam, what Gandantam it is going to give because of this problem. Okay. And not only that, very important, it will also say whether that is going to give you the death. Okay. So this much is about 7th bhava. Now you come, 8th bhava, come to the 9th bhava. Uterus, it is understood for only for females, I am saying. And the ties. 10th bhava. And the 9th bhava in Prashna, if it is a medical related Prashna, how the body is taking medicine, how the body is accepting to that medicine or treatment they are doing. Now, suppose some retro planet is there in 9th bhava, very easily we can say, sir, have you got any medicine allergy after taking this medicine? Means they'll say 100% yes. In that Prashna, if 9th lord or 9th bhava is having a retro planet, 100% get a medicinal side effects or medicinal allergy. Okay. Next, you come to 10th bhava. Knees and the joints. 11th bhava is ankles. Okay. Now in 10th bhava, if you want to see in Prashna, means how strong the disease is. How strong disease is. Okay. Now 11th bhava is ankles. And it is the, earlier I told you what is 11th bhava in Prashna. So no need to repeat that. And the 12th bhava is what is that? The fingers of the feet or foot. And foot also. Okay. So this is about the bhavas. Okay. This is about the bhavas. Anybody missed any bhava? No, right?
Sir, how strong the disease is it seen from 10th bhava?
Means in Prashna, how the disease has
Okay.
gone strongly.
Okay.
Ah. But the 10th bhava will give us the result. Okay. Oh, this we have done. Now we will see the Rashi wise, what the things are there. Okay. Write down. Rashi wise. You put on big chart for all the 12 Rashis to fill. Okay. Here is Taurus, Gemini, get up to Pisces, you write. In Aries, you write head. In Aries, you write head. Back side of the head. Brain. Pituitary. Sinus.
Spine. What was it, Guruji, last one? Spinous.
Sinus.
Sinus. Okay, sir.
Hair. Now Taurus. Taurus, eyes, face, thyroid, jaw bones, jaw bones, GAW, jaw bones, teeth, in Mesha Rashi also you write eyes. Sir, what is this, sir? Mesha Rashi also you're saying eyes, Taurus also you're saying eyes, means Taurus, Mesha Rashi also will give eye problem, but it will not give any other problem. Means mainly it will give problems with respect to vision. In Taurus, apart from that vision problem, have you seen some persons will have one eye small and one eye slightly bigger? If you very closely observe, you will come to know. Have you seen that?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Guruji.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
observed that.
That and all is said by the Rishabha Rashi. Next, Gemini, our favorite. After Scorpio, he is the champion in getting more diseases. Write down. Ears, neck, lungs, shoulders, and head in the hand, not A in the hand, hands, skin, all this skin allergy, dry skin, everything. Okay. Neck, I told you. And TB, you write. TB will come here also, it will come in Cancer also. Okay. Next, you write in Cancer, cough, lungs, cold, mucus. Okay. Sir, Gemini also you told here also you're taking means Gemini will say the structure of that lungs. If some abnormality is there, means that it will say. Functioning that it is taking properly, filtration is doing, okay. All those things will be said by the Cancer. Understand? Next, you write backbone and thymus gland. Next, you write down for Leo. Stomach, heart. Sir, Cancer also you told heart. Leo also you're saying heart. Means Cancer will say the structure of the heart. Okay. Whether all that these things are correct, all the chamber is correctly there, that ventricles, everything. Supply is not going properly. It is beating very fastly. Okay, sorry. Kadagarashi will say the what is that? Whether that supply is going properly, or it is beating correctly, palpitation is there, arrhythmia is there. All that functioning of heart is said by Kadagarashi. Whether that heart is in proper structure, when you do X-ray, they will say, na, like this is having this thing, this is in right side, left side. All that structure will be said by Leo. Okay. Backbone, pancreas. In Virgo also pancreas will come. You write down. Okay. In Virgo, you write spleen. liver, intestine, hip pain, pancreas. So in that Virgo sign, there is Uttara Nakshatram, Uttara Palguni. That Uttara Palguni is having any malefic planet you see, or any functional malefics or natural malefics, 100% that person will have hip pain. Okay, because that Uttaram connects the both the signs, hip area. Next, Libra, you write. Kidney, emergency,
So emergency
skin,
what?
emergency medicines, skin allergy, next, all these STDs, all those things you write down, sexually transmitted disease. Next, Scorpio is anus, uterus, and again there also private organ will come. Where Libra, here also private organs will come. Sweat, kidney problem. Sagittarius, palpitations, palpitation, gas trouble, body pain, ties, Capricorn, joint pain, eye problem, mental stress, leg pain. If you take all the 100 charts in a classroom, or all the 100% population of Capricorn, there is no Capricorn which doesn't have mental stress, leg pain, joint pain, or eye problem. Out of these four, definitely one will bother them throughout their life. Next, you write down Aquarius, stomach, lungs, varicose, gas trouble, cold, indigestion, cough muscles, dust allergy, Pisces, medicine allergy, thyroid, leg pain, obesity, burning sensation in feet, eyes, Okay. This may be against in some textbooks you have studied, but this is what will 100% work. Understand? With this you give, you will never go failing. 100% in medical astrology, I can say it will work like a 10 rules. Okay. But only thing is, you have to keep your mind fully empty and fill this. And once I give you the one by one, if you keep checking, 100% they will tally. Okay. So now some small notes you write. Some small notes you write. Okay. What is that small notes? Means write 5 white poisons. 5 white poisons. Number 1, maida. Number 2, milk. Number 3, sugar. Number 4, salt. Number 5, polished rice. So these things should be taken in very, very little quantity. Now, milk, you may ask, there are people who are lactose intolerance, okay, that has caused them very, very severe problems. So that also you have to check. Indirectly, you might be having that lactose intolerance. Understand? And you will not be knowing why that problem is coming to you. Okay, but it is a greatest thing for the human body, but for only for a few number of population, I'm saying. Except that milk, rest all, maida, sugar, salt, polished rice, this and all should be taken only in limited. Salt also, if you take excessively, you know what it is going to do for you. Maida is number 1 poison. So only that first point only I told maida. And these things, especially this Gemini and Scorpio and Leo, these 3 people should avoid, because Leo has that always stomach problem. And Gemini and Scorpio, we already told excessive of issues they are having. So these 5 white poisons, they should always avoid. Next you write. In Rasi Chakra, there is something called as Binna Nakshatram. In Rasi Chakra, there is something called as Binna Nakshatram. These Binna Nakshatras belong to Sun, Mars, and Jupiter. These Binna Nakshatras belong to Sun, Mars, and Jupiter. Binna Nakshatras are nothing but broken nakshatras which are spread through 2 signs. Binna Nakshatras are nothing but broken nakshatras which are spread to 2 signs. For example, Mrigashira is afflicted means neck pain will come because it connects Taurus and Gemini. Similarly, you can write for Chitta Nakshatra, hip pain will come. Uttara also, hip pain will come. Understand? That means you write down Sun and Mars are the 2 important planets for joint pain. If Sun or Mars are afflicted means automatically in a chart, 100% they will get joint pain. Sun and Mars are the reason for joint pain. Next. If you have cheated someone in charity, means I will write this much, I'll give you this much for this temple. Like that, if you have cheated somebody in charity, 100% you will get joint pain in life. Next to write, whoever is having problems in lungs or kidney, most of them will get skin problems also. I'm not going into MBBS degree. This is our medical astrology observations. Maybe after some years, medical science will discover that. Understand? Now you write one small remedy for skin infection, people. With that, I will wind up and I'll take your doubts.
Sir, can you please repeat, sir? Whoever has
Skin in what is it, lung problem or kidney infection, they will automatically get skin problems also. And whoever
okay.
is treated in a donation or Danam, they'll say they'll do, or they'll take 1 lakh rupees for Ganesha and they'll put food for 20,000 remaining. Those people 100% will get severe joint pains like this sciatica, spondylitis, rheumatoid arthritis. All those things will come for them. Next, people who have skin infection, write down, should wash your hands in salt water. Daily from morning 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. In this time, apply salt wherever you have problem. Whichever area is that is affected, there you apply that salt water. Okay? Or that apply that salt. And expose it to sun. This should be done only in that 11 to 1 a.m. only. After that, 1 p.m. only. After that, if you do, it will not work. Do this minimum for 1 month. 70 to 80% of your skin infection will be gone. Okay. Last month I had one person. Now he has put one message. Sir, from 1 month I am doing, sir, you believe it or not, from black color skin, it has become no reddish. From black, it has become reddish like that. Yes, messaged. That person itself has done M Pharma, means they sell this medical shop items and all. No? Minimum, how much you have to stand in that exposed area? Means 20 minutes. Now, there are certain restrictions also while doing this. What is that? All bakery items you should avoid. Bakery items will make sure you will never get cured of skin diseases. Bakery items in biscuit, sir. You told the bakery, no, sir. Bakery, milk biscuit, salt biscuit, I didn't eat. I ate Good Day biscuit. Understand? Good Day biscuit is worst. Third class. Bakery item, at least that biscuit is made in 4 or 5 days before. This is stored for 3-4 months. So all bakery, bread, maida again. All those things you should avoid. Sometimes what will happen, no? The unnecessary protein, it is coming in form of sweat, means some people's sweat will stink like anything. Okay. That means they are taking bad protein. Okay. So what to do means you should exercise. If you are not able to exercise, then 100% you reduce your protein content as per your body's requirement. Okay. This dal and all, they should slightly reduce. Otherwise, it will give that dirty smell. Okay. So here I will stop. Okay. Now it is be only your doubts what has been taught. Within that, try to ask. I will explain. So your doubt is helping others also. Yes. Yes, Arnab, sir. Are you
So
all raise your
you
hands? I will take one by one. Yes,
you
Arnab, sir.
mentioned about the Saturn Mercury combination.
Ah,
For like people have to be little cautious when they are doing too much research into medical astrology based on the
medical
charts
astrology.
and all.
Correct,
So
correct.
did you mean like they can I'll give an example of a friend of mine
Mm,
who's into astrology. I mean,
mm,
he sometimes he quits the astrology for months. Okay,
mm,
reason is because when he's a KP astrologer, but when
mm,
he sees the charts and
mm,
certain diseases that he sees, he
mm.
feels that that symptom starts appearing into him after a few months, and his chart is having um, Saturn and Mercury together. Okay, sir. So that's the
100%.
reason I asked. Okay. My second question is, sir, Saturn
Mm.
aspecting Mercury, or they have to be conjunct, like both of them have to establish a proper like conjunction.
Saturn plus Mercury, Mercury mutual aspect, Saturn and Mercury Nakshatra, Mercury and Saturn Nakshatra.
Ah,
All these
okay. Yeah,
people should be
yeah.
careful.
Yeah. Okay, sir.
Ah,
So this is very interesting, sir.
ah. Understand? This
Yeah.
is one of the
Yeah.
very biggest thing my guru gave, and I have seen. I have seen some people are having this combination or this place. I'm saying, if they see some people having eye disease, no, they'll start imagining. Next day, they also will get eye disease. Understand? So it's because you see again, Saturn plus Mercury combination. Now, planetary conjunction, I am saying. Okay.
Yeah.
100% in that family, somebody would have a handicap. Means leg is not proper or something they removed, organ was removed, okay, uterus was removed, okay, or physically handicapped. All these people, definitely in that family, one Saturn plus Mercury combination, 100% will be there.
Yes, sir.
Okay.